Hi, this is Amelia. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe so we can get together every week. This week, our story is called A Dog in a Bed. Written by Cecilia Minden, illustrated by Kelsey Collins, narrated by Amelia Pan. Pam has a pet shop. Pam sells pets. Pam has a dog. Pam calls her dog Tuck. Tuck likes to help. Tuck likes to help in the shop. Tuck likes to play. Tuck likes to play with the pets. Tuck likes to nap. Tuck likes to nap in his bed. Pam has a pet shop. Pam sells pets. The end. All right, this is the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it just as I did. See you next week. Ciao for now.